36 upon 3 minus square root of 8. How do we simplify this? So first of all, we have to rationalize the denominator. So 36 upon, to rationalize it, we multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 3 plus square root of 8. Multiplying and dividing by the same number means we multiplying it by 1 because they can cancel out and it is equal to 1. So this is 36 times 3 plus square root of 8 upon, if 3 is a and square root of 8 is b, then it is a minus b times a plus b. In terms of differences of square, so it is a square minus b square. So we can write it as 3 square minus square root of 8 square. Now under square root, or 36 times 3 plus 36 times square root of 8 upon 3 square is 9 minus, remove the square root with the square, so it is 8, and under square root 36 times 3 is 108 plus 36 times square root of 8, if we simplify it, it is equal to 2 times square root of 2 upon 9 minus 8 is 1, so we can remove the denominator. Now it is 108 plus 2 times square root of 2, and 36 we can write it as 36 square under square root, because when a is under square root, it is equal to a raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we square it, exponent is multiplied by 2. So any number can be written as square root of that number squared, or 108 plus 2 times square root of 2. Then we can write times 36 times 36, because square root of a times square root of b, this can be written as a times b under square root, then all under square root, or 108 plus 2 times, this we can write square root of 72 times square root of 36 under square root. Now 108 we can write it as 72 plus 36 plus 2 times square root of 72 times square root of 36 under square root. Now 72 we can write it as 72 under square root square plus 36 as 36 under square root square plus 2 times square root of 72 times square root of 36 under square root. Now if square root of 72 is a and square root of 36 is b, then it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write it as square root of 72 plus square root of 36 whole square under square root. Now we can remove this square root with this square. So this is equal to square root of 72 plus square root of 36. Now we can further simplify square root of 36. 72 as square root of 36 times 2 plus square root of 36 is 6, or square root of 36 times square root of 2 plus 6, or 6 times square root of 2 plus 6. So this is our answer.